25 fascinating facts about a woman's womb, also known as the uterus. The uterus is a pear-shaped organ located in the pelvis, specifically between the bladder and rectum. It is part of the female reproductive system and plays a crucial role in menstruation, pregnancy, and childbirth. The uterus is composed of 3 layers: the outermost perimetrium, the middle myometrium, made of smooth muscle, and the innermost endometrium. The endometrium is the lining of the uterus that thickens each month in preparation for pregnancy. During menstruation, if pregnancy does not occur, the endometrium sheds and is expelled from the body as menstrual blood. The uterus is highly elastic and can expand significantly during pregnancy to accommodate a growing fetus. The average size of a non-pregnant uterus is approximately 3 to 4 inches, 7.5 to 10 centimeters, long, and 2 to 3 inches, 5 to 7.5 centimeters, wide. The uterus is capable of contracting during labor to help facilitate the process of childbirth. The uterus is held in place by a network of ligaments, including the broad ligament, round ligaments, and uterosacral ligaments. The uterus has a remarkable blood supply, receiving oxygenated blood from the uterine arteries and returning deoxygenated blood through the uterine veins. The cervix is the lower part of the uterus that connects to the vagina, and it contains a small opening called the cervical os. The cervix undergoes changes during the menstrual cycle, becoming softer, more open, and higher in position during ovulation. The uterus has a unique ability to contract after childbirth, helping to control bleeding and return to its pre-pregnancy size. In some cases, the uterus may be retroverted, meaning it tilts backward toward the spine instead of forward. The uterus is highly innervated, containing both sensory and motor nerves that allow it to communicate with the brain and coordinate reproductive functions. The uterus has a rich blood supply that increases during pregnancy to support the growing fetus. The uterus produces certain hormones, including prostaglandins, which play a role in menstrual cramping and labor induction. Some women may experience a condition called endometriosis, where the tissue similar to the endometrium grows outside the uterus, causing pain and other symptoms. The uterus undergoes changes during menopause, including a decrease in size and the thinning of the endometrium. The uterus can be imaged and examined using various medical techniques, such as ultrasound, MRI, and hysteroscopy. The uterus is highly responsive to hormonal signals, and hormonal imbalances can impact menstrual cycles and fertility. Some women may have a congenital malformation of the uterus, such as a bicornuate uterus, heart-shaped, or septate uterus, divided by a wall. In some cases, the uterus may need to be surgically removed through a procedure called a hysterectomy, often due to medical conditions such as fibroids or cancer. The uterus is an essential organ for gestational surrogacy, where a woman carries and gives birth to a child on behalf of another individual or couple. The uterus has a profound impact on a woman's reproductive health, and understanding its functions and potential disorders is crucial for overall well-being. The uterus is a remarkable organ that plays a pivotal role in female reproductive health, supporting menstruation, pregnancy, and childbirth. If you have learned something, please like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.